Hey everyone! Today Haley and I are opening up Disney Doorables. Behind every door, a surprise is in store. Today we have Elsa's Ice Rink, Belle's Bookshop, Mad Hatter's Tea Shop, 2 Disney Doorables surprises, and we have the Disney Doorable featuring the Beast from Belle. So let's get started by opening these up. So Haley's gonna help us open these up. Which one do you want to start with first, Haley? You want to start with a little surprise. All right, so after opening our surprise box, we got these 3. So we have the White Rabbit, which he is common. We got Wendy from Peter Pan, which she is considered rare. And then we got Jiminy Cricket from Pinocchio, which he is ultra rare. So let's open up our next surprise box and see what's inside. All right, so after opening our second box, we got Mike Hardhat from Monsters, Inc., and he is considered common. And then we got Belle in the blue dress from Beauty and the Beast, and she is considered rare. So since we got this Belle here, she is actually different than the Belle that we got in the big box. So let's take a look at the big box. So there's Elsa and her ice castle. There's Belle in her bookshop. And there's the Mad Hatter in his tea place. All right, we're gonna take all this out and put it together. So we got everything set up here. And next we're gonna open up the Disney Doorables with the Beast. So let's see what we get. So this is what's inside. We get the Beast, and it looks like we get a little table or a cart and a little book. From this surprise box, we got Celia from Monsters, Inc., and we got a little mirror. Turn it around for you. A little mirror with a rose on the back. So that mirror must belong to Belle. To see more of our Disney Doorables, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, if you would like to get notifications for our videos, please click the bell above. All right, our next video will be our Doorables taking an adventure. Check out our next video. Thank you for watching Unicorn Toy Review. Bye.